In the dead of night, a low, persistent hum echoes through the streets of Bristol, England. It's a sound that has baffled residents for decades. Described as a constant, vibrating drone, it's as if the city itself is alive and humming. The source remains unknown, but the effects are undeniable. People report sleepless nights, anxiety, and a creeping sense of dread. As we delve into the mystery, the hum grows louder, a reminder that some secrets are better left unexplained.